112 here. Now we've somehow got to figure out how to put this so that I can figure out these other four. Okay, so again, go back to the angle they gave you. Okay, what do you know about an angle that's on different parallel lines? Okay, this one says different parallel lines. So corresponding lie on the same side of the transversal, in the same position, remember positions, and on different parallel lines. Okay, so we're going to do corresponding. So we've got 68. Okay, what is on the same side of the transversal? Okay, I can either pick 5 or I can pick 6. So it's one of those two. And then it says in the same position. Well, the 68 is in the upper right corner and the 6 is in the upper right corner. So that means I'm going to go with 6. And it's on different parallel lines. If we called this parallel line 1 and this parallel line 2, we're on different parallel lines. Okay, so that means that we have found corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are congruent. So I can now say angle 6 is 68 degrees. Okay, or did I know? Oh, I jumped to 6, that's okay. Angle 6 is 68 degrees because angle 6 and the given angle are corresponding. Okay, so now that I know 6, what else can I figure out the easiest? Okay, I've got this right here. So I've got angle 6 and angle 4. Those share a vertex. They're across the vertex from each other. So I also know that angle 4 is going to be 68 degrees. So angle 4 equals 68 degrees. Angle 4 and angle 6 are vertical angles. Now, how can I figure out angle 5 and angle 7? Well, I've got a couple ways. I can either say, hey, look, this is really cool, but I've got right here, I've got a rainbow. So 4 and 7 are going to be our supplementary. Oops, well, that just didn't work. Our supplementary. Okay, or I can say angle 4 and angle 1 are what? Yep. Angle 4 and angle 1 are corresponding. So if angle 4 and angle 1 are corresponding, you don't have to write this part down, guys. Okay, what about angle 7? Oh my goodness, there's so many ways. Let's do angle 5 first. Sorry. Okay, so angle 5. I've got angle 5, angle 5 and angle 2 are what? Those are corresponding. So over here, angle 2 and angle 5 are corresponding. And angle 5 and angle 6 they form a straight line. So angle 5 and angle 6 are supplementary. And angle 5 and angle 4 are supplementary. Now, here's the great part. If you do these two, you're going to have to do math. If you do this one, you just have to match it. So which one do you want to do? Yep, that's what I would say. Angle 5 equals, if angle 2 is 112, that means angle 5, which is on the same side of the transversal, on the other parallel line, and in the same position. So we're in the upper left. Okay, so we have 112. And why did I make you write all this out? Well, because I want you to see there's more than one way to get there. There's a ton of ways to get there. And one of the things you have to do on your test is tell me more than one way to get there. Okay, so then we have, what color haven't I used? Angle 7 is 112, but tell me why. So angle 7 is going to be vertical, and angle 5 are vertical angles. You don't need math. Okay. Angle 7 and angle 4 are supplementary. Angle 7 and angle 6 are supplementary. And then angle 7 and angle 3 are corresponding. There are all sorts of ways to get to the same answer. This one is a match. This one is a match. And these two, you have to do math. Okay, at the bottom left corner, I want you to write the word bison. Okay. Okay, we're going to pause right there and then we'll go on to the next one.